I got this new button press. Let's open it up and give it a try.
Okay, so this is the button press from We Are Memory Keepers. I bought the all-in-one kit. It has the small, medium, and large button presses, so let's try it out. Okay, so this is the press right out of the box, and here are the 3 different sizes that it comes with. Really cute colors. Also included some samples of the 3 sizes in the pin settings, and this thing, which we'll figure out what that is in a second. Okay, since I'm going to try all 3 sizes, I cut out some squares according to the die size. Okay, so these are cutting inserts. This is to cut the paper to size, so we're going to do that first. Okay, this is the top insert. Just put that in there, and then this is the bottom. We're going to just stick that in there. We swivel this around, and then we put our die and our paper. Okay, we put this in here, and then we press firmly. Okay, I need to make sure that it's aligned, A and B. There's A and there's B. Okay, now that they're lined up for the A spot, go ahead and put the shell down like this. And then you put your paper and then the clear film on top. So now that piece is up there. Now we're going to do the bottom part. Okay, so we're supposed to move it to the B position. And then we put the pin side down. And then we swivel. And then press again. Okay, and that's it. So let's see how it turned out. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. So now I have my own pin. I might have done it upside down. But I'm going to try it again. Okay, did another one? That one came out perfect. Super cute. Okay, so at first it's a little difficult to figure out, but once you get the hang of it, really easy and really fun. I just made these 2 sizes. Like I said, this one's upside down, but I figured out you were supposed to line up everything with these lines on there. So they have it all figured out for you to make cute buttons. So I hope this helps.